how to reset eFootball game progress, here is a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down until you find the Apps option and click on it. Once you're inside, select the Manage App option. Now use the search bar at the top and type eFootball. When the app appears in the result, simply click on it to open its detail page. From here, you will notice a Clear Data button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Now from the small menu that appears, start by selecting Clear Cache. This action will remove the temporary files, so just hit OK. Next, click on the Clear Data once again. Finally, confirm your action again. This will delete all the stored data and your eFootball game progress will be reset completely. And that's all. I hope this video helped.